Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make soup like Knorr. To achieve that signature Knorr taste, begin by selecting excellent dehydrated vegetables and herbs. These provide intense, concentrated flavors. Next, establish a robust foundation using a savory broth or bouillon. Finally, introduce flavor enhancers such as yeast extract or a small amount of MSG to really boost that delicious umami profile, making your soup truly satisfying and flavorful. To develop a truly deep and complex flavor, start by gently sautéing dried aromatics like onion and garlic powder in about 1 tablespoon of oil. This step releases their essential oils and creates a fragrant base. Then, quickly bloom your selected spices, perhaps a half teaspoon of paprika or turmeric, for around 30 seconds to intensify their aroma. Finally, a 1/4 teaspoon of tomato powder can add a wonderful, subtle tang. Achieving that characteristic Knorr texture is crucial for a satisfying soup. You can thicken your soup effectively by preparing a cornstarch slurry, using approximately 1 tablespoon of cornstarch mixed with 2 tablespoons of cold water for every 2 cups of liquid. Whisk this into your simmering soup. For an extra creamy and smooth mouthfeel, stir in about 2 tablespoons of powdered milk or cream. Remember to cook the starches thoroughly for at least 1 minute to avoid any raw taste. For the perfect finish, always taste your soup and adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper until it's perfectly balanced. A final touch of fresh or dried herbs, like parsley or chives, just before serving, will elevate the aroma and presentation. If you have any delicious leftovers, store them promptly in an airtight container in the refrigerator. Your homemade Knorr-style soup will remain fresh and flavorful for up to 3 days, ready for another comforting meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.